relax. I'm coming back.
Greetings viewers and subscribers, welcome back to Eddy Vision. Now, Phoenix Rising FC has signed midfielder Kevon Lambert to a new multi-year contract, pending USL and Federation approval, the club announced yesterday. "I'm super excited to re-sign with Phoenix Rising," said Lambert. "We have set goals and we want to continue to work towards bringing the USL Championship to the city of Phoenix. I can't wait to be back home with the best fans in the league for 2022. Rising's all-time leader in appearance with 123 across all competitions, Lambert has scored 11 goals and 8 assists as a defensive midfielder since 2017. Just 25 years old, the Jamaican has led Phoenix in several defensive categories each season, helping the club to claim the 2018 and 2020 Western Conference Championship, as well as the 2019 regular season title. One of the premier defensive midfielders in the league, Lambert ranked second in duels won during the past season with 238. He was one of only 8 players to surpass 200 duels won in the league overall. Lambert led Phoenix in tackles won with 59 and duels won 118 in 2018 as a 21-year-old. And has improved those numbers each season. He has led the team in interceptions since 2019, recording a total of 185 since signing with Phoenix Rising on August 10, 2017. So basically, he's the best or one of the best defensive midfielders in the league. I feel strongly that Kevon Lambert is the best defensive midfielder in the USL, said Rising head coach Ricky Shantz. So, he's agreeing with me. One of the best defensive midfielders in the USL. And he's a reggae boy, he's Jamaican. And I want to just big up Kevon Lambert. Congrats on signing a new deal, a new multi-year deal. We should lock him down at Phoenix for a while. And good week for Jamaicans. We see Bowser over there in Europe getting a big move. I know Kevon Lambert securing back a contract with the Phoenix Rising in the USL. So, all the best to the Reggae boys. Big up Kevon Lambert and continue to do the good work. So, let us know in the comment section below. Do you think that Kevon Lambert deserved his new contract? Are you happy for him in a new contract? His career will continue over there in the USL, or would you want him to move out of the USL? Let us know in the comment section below. Always remember, like, share, and subscribe.